Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block location permissions in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Brave settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one site and shields settings. Again, scroll down to this one permissions section and then click on this one location option. Here, by default, you will see that Brave browser allows sites can ask for your location, and to disable this one location services, just select the next option. Don't allow sites to see your location. This feature will block location services on your Brave browser, and in case some of the browser needs location service that may does not work properly.